Hello everyone, my name is Sania Sam and welcome back to Pakistani-American news channel. Today I'm telling you the latest news of Republicans. Marko Kepi, a Republican candidate for a New York State Senate 2024, kicked off his campaign with a fundraising event at a restaurant in Britain Beach, Brooklyn, New York on Sunday. The fundraiser was largely attached, among others, by senators, Congressman, Assemblyman, Chairman of his Republican Party in Kings County, Richie Barsmian, district leaders of Republican Party, members of the Russian, Pakistani and other communities. Those present on his occasion including Senator Marty Golden, Congressman Michael Grimm, Assemblyman Alec Brookresne and Michael Novakov assured every support and help to Marko Kepi and endorsed to play their vital role in making his campaign a successful. William Shahzad, chairman of Pakistan Christian Association of USA, assured all had to make Kepi on behalf of the Pakistani American community and announced to hold a fundraiser for him in Brooklyn shortly. And thank you so much for watching my video and never forget to subscribe my channel.